How to perform an accurate rental valuation. This is the number one question that I get asked a lot from property owners. And so I wanted to give you three common rental valuation methods. First is the capital asset pricing model, CAPM. This model is a formula that determines the relationship between an investment's return and the risk you need to take. It's often used for stock, but you can use it for rental property valuation as well. The formula is starting with a risk-free rate, usually a treasury bill rate, and an investment's beta or systematic risk. Multiply the beta by the expected rise in the market value minus the risk-free rate. Add the beta multiplication result to the risk-free rate. The answer will be the expected ROI percentage for the investment. 2. Sales comparison approach, SCA. With this approach, potential buyers will look at the value details of different properties to determine what price they should pay for a property. This method requires a lot of internet research, and it's considered an online rental valuation method. The details that property buyers evaluate are location and neighborhood, recently sold listings, property features, and age and condition. Keep in mind that this approach isn't a perfect residential or commercial property valuation method. The unique tastes of buyers and sellers can change the actual value of a property. Last, the income approach. This method is perhaps the simplest of rental valuations. It focuses on the income of an investor could potentially make relative to the price of their initial investment. For this formula, you would first determine the annual amount you'll make from rentals. Then you divide it by the amount that you paid for the property. That gives you the percentage of the original property price plus what you make in a year. For example, you might pay $150,000 for a property. A reasonable rent in the area is $2,000. Multiply that by 12 to get the annual rental income of $24,000. Divide $24,000 by $150,000 and you get 0.16 or 16%. For more tips, contact Wolfnest for more information.